Welcome to this beginner's guide to Wireshark. If you're looking to learn how to analyze network traffic and troubleshoot issues using one of the most powerful tools available, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk through the core features of Wireshark, and by the end, you'll be ready to start capturing and analyzing network packets. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by installing Wireshark. Go to wireshark.org and click on the download button. Wireshark is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Download the installer for your operating system and follow the installation instructions. Once installed, open Wireshark and you'll see the main screen with a list of available network interfaces. Now, let's capture some traffic. On the main screen, you'll see a list of network interfaces. These are the network adapters on your computer. Select the one that corresponds to your active connection. Click on the interface you want to capture from, and Wireshark will start displaying live packet data. To stop capturing, click the red stop button at the top. Let's break down the Wireshark interface. At the top, you'll see the menu bar. Below that, there's a packet list pane that shows a summary of each captured packet. In the middle is the packet details pane, where you can drill down into the packet contents. Below that, the packet bytes pane displays the raw data of the selected packet in hexadecimal format. Wireshark captures a lot of data, so it's important to filter out what you don't need. Filters help you focus on the packets that matter. You can filter by protocols, IP addresses, ports, and more. For example, if you only want to see HTTP traffic, type HTTP into the filter bar and hit enter. You can also combine filters, like IP source, to show packets coming from a specific IP address. Other useful filters include IP address for any address, TCP port for specific ports, and DNS for DNS queries. To analyze a specific packet, click on it in the packet list. You'll see detailed information in the middle pane. Here, you can see protocol layers, such as Ethernet, IP, TCP/UDP, and application layers like HTTP or DNS. Expand each section to view more information. For example, under the IP section, you'll see source and destination IP addresses, as well as flags and other details. If it's a TCP packet, you'll also see flags like SYN, ACK, and FIN, which can help you understand the connection process. To view a full conversation between two devices, right-click on any packet in the TCP stream and select Follow TCP stream. This will display the entire conversation in a readable format. You'll see the raw data sent back and forth between the devices. This is especially useful for debugging HTTP requests and responses or troubleshooting protocols like FTP and SMTP. If you need to save your capture for later analysis, go to File and select Save As. You can choose a location and save the capture in Wireshark's native file format or export it to other formats like CSV or plain text. Wireshark can also give you a summary of the protocols used in the capture. Go to Statistics, Protocol Hierarchy to see the percentage of each protocol in the capture. This is useful for identifying dominant traffic types. You can also use Statistics, Conversations to view communication statistics between devices or endpoints to see details about all devices involved in the capture. That's it for this beginner's guide to Wireshark. We've covered how to capture traffic, use filters, inspect packets, follow TCP streams, and analyze network protocols. There's a lot more you can do with Wireshark, so I encourage you to dive deeper and explore its advanced features. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and have a good day.